Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. Previous class we have discussed in so many ways human beings and animals are similar. Children, and we also discussed about differences between the animals, how they looks different to each other in color, in skin. Children, so let me revise all those things whatever we finished in the previous class, then we'll continue our lesson. Name two animals that live on land. Which animals live on land, children? Yes, cow, dog, cat, buffalo, donkey, horse, elephant, leopard, tiger, etc. Name the animals they live in the sea. They live in the water, in the sea. Fish, crocodile, octopus, starfish, dolphin, seahorse, crab, frog, snake, turtle. So these animals live in the sea. Name the animals that live on trees. Monkeys. Then all birds, they live on trees. Name the animals that live on land and in the sea. Yes, frog, snake, yes, crocodile, then turtle. They live on land as well as in the sea also. So children, today you are going to learn about animals move at different speed. All the animals have the different speed only. Some are very fast, some are slow, and some animals are too slow, like turtle is very slow animals. Yeah, children. In that only some animals will crawl, some animals fly, some animals swim, some animals hop. Yeah, children. Hop means what? Jump. Yes or no? So, crawl animals. First we see the crawl animals like tortoise, centipede, lizard, they crawl. Snake, these all animals are crawl animals. They will go like this. They will go like this. What is that first? Crawl animals. In that crawl animals comes snake. 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 Then centipede. Then tortoise. Some animals crawl like snake, centipede and the tortoise. They will crawl and go. They will go like this. Snake will go like this. Like that some animals walk. Numbers of animals you can see. They will walk. Yes or no? Some animals walk. Almost all the animals walk. You can take a cow, dog, elephant, camel. These animals will walk. Elephant, camel, dog, cow, they walk and go. Their speed is, they ask the speed, no, that means here should come only elephant and camel. The speed is so slow, elephant and camel, they walk. They can't run very fast. These animals only walk and go. Next is what here, children? Run. Which animals run very fast? Tell me, children. Which animals run very fast? Tell me. Yes, leopard. Then, very good. Deer. Have you seen the leopard and deer? How they run very fast. Very fast they will run. So next is what? Next is hop animal. Hop means what? Which animals will jump and go like this? Tell me which animals will jump? Yes. Kangaroo. Kangaroo jump and go. Kangaroo. One more animal jump and go. Tell me. Frog. Very good. Frog also jump and go. Next is which animals fly, children? Next is what? Fly. Which animals fly? Tell me. All the birds are flying. All birds. Yes, no? All the birds are flying. The next is what? Which animals swim? Next is what? Swim animals. Which animals swim in water? Very good. So fish. Fish swim in the water very fast. Only fish, okay? Don't write a duck. Duck can swim very slowly, but fish swim very fast. See, these all the animals were divided according to their speeds only. Some animals are very faster. They will very fast, too fast, they will run and go. See, here they had given, see. Crow animal is what? Snake, snail, centipede. Walk. Elephant and camel. Elephant is huge animal, so it can't fast. It can't run very fast. So it's walk and go. Camel and elephant. Next, run animal. Leopard and deer runs very fast. First place is leopard. Second place is deer and third place is horse. Horse also run very fast. Hop, jump and go. Kangaroo and frog. Flying, all the birds are flying in the sky. Swim, in the swim, fish is very fast. It moves very fast in the water. Yeah, the children? Now we know that about the color of the animals and the skin of animals, how they run very fast. Now we'll see these animals what they will eat. Yeah, the children. So what is the food they will eat? If you take the dog, tell me, children, dog eat the meat. Yeah, no? Cat eat the rat and also it drink the milk. Hen eats the grains, seeds. Yeah, no, children. Tiger eat the flesh of other animals. Leopard also, lion also, they will eat the flesh of other animals. Cow, horse, they eat the grass, leaves. But horse also eat the what? Grains. Also eat the grains. We'll write the food items like cow, dog, cat, lion, Okay children, so what they will eat? What they will eat? Cow eat the grass. What they eat? It eat the grass. Dog eat the meat. Even the cat also eat the meat only. And the children, next, lion and tiger. What they eat? They eat the flesh. Hen eat the grains. What it eats? It eat the grains. Here, cow, buffalo, deer, sheep, goat, all they eat the leaves and grass only. Okay children, here lion, tiger, leopard, they eat the flesh. Hen eat the grains. Yeah, the children. So in these animals only, there are the different types are there. Like that, which animals eat the leaves and grass? Which animals eat the leaves and grass? Like cow, giraffe, zebra, buffalo, sheep, goat. They are called the grass eating animals. What they call? They call the grass eating animals. Yeah, the children, like domestic animal we say no, they eat only the grass and leaves. So they are called the grass eating animals. Animals like lion, tiger, leopard, eagle, panther, they eat the flesh of other animals. They attack and kill the animals and then they will eat as a food only. So those animals are called the flesh eating animals. What they call? Flesh eating animals. Like jackal, vulture and kite eat the dead animals. What they eat? They eat the flesh of dead animals. Which is the animal already died? They will go and eat. Okay children? So according to their food items only, according to their food items here, animals divides. Okay. Okay children, now I will show the images of the animals who eat the grass. They are called the herbivorous animals and also called the grass eating animals. Horse, sheep, elephant, cow, deer, donkey, giraffe, goat, kangaroo. So these animals are known as grass eating animals. The next I will show the children flesh eating animals. Next is cheetah. We say in Hindi cheetah, but in English we call leopard. Next is eagle. Next is fox. See the frog next. Next is hyena, jackal, lion, so these animals are called the flesh eating animals. So next I will show the animals and young ones. Young ones means what, children? Small baby like you only. See the first one. Cat's young one is kitten. Dog's baby is called puppy. Hen baby is called chick. Donkey baby is called foal. Duck baby is called duckling. Horse baby is called colt. Pig baby is called piglet. Sheep baby is called lamb. It is not lamp, L-A-M-B, lamb. Goat baby is called kid. Buffalo baby is called calf. Cow baby is also called a calf. Lion baby is called cub. Tiger baby is also called a cub. Elephant baby is called calf. Kangaroo baby is called joy. Deer baby is called fawn. Frog baby is called tadpole. Monkey baby is called infant. Okay children, just now I have shown the images of animals, what they eat. I have shown the images of flesh eating animals also and grass eating animals also. Yeah, no, children? Do you know children, some animals have the very long neck. Some animals have the very long neck. Will you tell me which animal has a long neck? Tell me which animal? Have you seen? Yes, giraffe. Giraffe have the very long neck. Yeah, no, children? Giraffe have the very long neck. Which animal have the spots on its body? Just now I have shown the images. Tell me children. Yes. Leopard have the spots on its body. Which animals have the black and white strips on its body? Black and white. Very good. Zebra have the black and white strips on its body. Which animal has a giraffe have the very long neck. You can see here. I will show the image. Yes, children, you can see here. Giraffe have the very long neck. Yeah, children. And then zebra has the black and white strips on its body. Black and white. Next is what here, children? This animal have the you can see the snail have the very small seashell. Elephant have the long trunk. Yeah, the children. And I have shown the images of animals young ones. Animals young ones. So here I will write giraffe. Giraffe has a long neck. So giraffe has a long neck. Neck is what? Too long. So they can eat the leaves. Yeah, the children. What is the next one? Next one is what? Leopard has spots on its body. Leopards has spots on its body. They have the patches, no, like this. Yeah, no, black color. That is called the spots on its body. Next, snail is a small animal. It is a small animal with a big shell. Big shell. Yeah, the children. Then fourth one. What is that fourth one? Elephant has a long trunk. Elephant has a long trunk. Next one is what, children, here? Fifth one, zebra. Zebra what has? Zebra has black and white strips. Zebra has black and white strips. So this is about the animals. Now we see the animals and the young ones. Already I have shown the images, children. I will write here animals and young ones. Okay? Now tell me, children, dog young one is called what? Small puppy nodidri manne alli dog alli. Yes. Dog baby is called what? Puppy. Yeah, the children. Then lion. Lion baby is called what, children? Cub. What is called? Cub. The next one. chick. Next, horse baby is called horse. Horse baby is called foal. What is called? Foal. Next, sheep baby is called, what is called? It's called a lamb, not a lamp. L-A-M-B, lamb. So, this is about the animals and young ones. So, do you know how the dogs make sound? Bow, bow. How the lions make donkey? They chew, bray, bray. Cat, meow, meow. Cow, ma, ma. Hen, cluck, cluck. Horse, nee. You know how the horse makes sound? Nee. Then sheep, ba, ba. So that is the sound of animals. Yeah, the children. So this is the which animal have the long neck. If anyone asks, you should say giraffe have the very long neck. Okay, children. Then elephant has a long trunk. Zebra has black and white strips on its body. So children, in today's class, we have discussed about the speed of animals, what the food they eat. And children said we also discussed about the animals and young ones. So based on that, I will give the homework for you. This homework you have to write down in your notebook. Okay children, so whatever today I have done this on the board, so this you have to copy down in the page number 146. You have to copy down page number 146. So I will give the homework for you children. Write here homework. Tick the correct answer. So you have to tick the correct answer. Listen, a cow is bigger or smaller than a dog. Next one, an insect usually has An insect usually has 4 or 6 legs. A snake. A snake crawls or runs. So this is three sentences I had given. You have to tick the which is correct answer. Okay children. So here these all the things whatever I written on the board in today's class, especially homework, only in the homework you have to write in your notebook. Write the today's date and then write this homework and then send me in the children. Okay. And one more thing, children, I will give a textbook work also. Page number 146. Page number 146. You have to do in textbook only. Do in textbook. Okay. It is only textbook work. Do in textbook. Page number 146. But this homework, write in notebook. It is different. Write in notebook. Okay, children? ಇದು ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 146 ಬರೇ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಪಿಕ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇದು ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, children? I hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you, children.